I had to go to about an hour and a half away to the doctor today to get a spot. Can you see that? Spot cut off my head, biopsy. And here I'm in the shop. I've been working on it. And I've made some progress. See the wall behind me? I've started hanging some things on the wall. And I actually had two pictures from the dragon that I was going to put in here. I've got this hog versus the dragon, Tell the Dragon. And this is a picture of Felicia and I on our 2008 Ultra Classic. That was in 2016. And a sticker. I've got some stuff I'm gonna be putting up here, just haven't gotten to it. So I'm thinking about stickers on the Toolbox. Now listen, I'm not really a wrencher guy. I call this the shop, but my work is minimal. I'm not really a wrench guy. I mean, I do some things, but some of these tools that I have in this shop, I call this the shop. I've got some tools. These wrenches belong to my father-in-law, and there's some sockets up there. And I've got this toolbox that Felicia gave me several years ago for Father's Day or something. And I've been seeing toolboxes on other YouTube channels that are just covered in stickers. So I thought, hey, I need some stickers. And I had a few. Holy Shift, two Holy Shift stickers. And some Custom Dynamics and Pro Beam. And, but I needed some more stickers. And so what I did was I went on eBay and I ordered, there's 150 stickers in here. I think it cost me $7. And then I ordered, it's supposed to be 20 different Harley Davidson stickers in this pack. Let's see what's in them. First thing that I've got to do is I got to clean this box up just a little bit. I opened up that envelope, had 150 stickers in it. I just threw probably 30 or 40 of those stickers away just because I didn't know what they meant, or they had skulls on them, and I'm not big into skulls. And I used a few of them, and show you my toolbox before my battery runs out again. That's gonna about do it. I'm just about out of juice. This camera's already died on me one time. Hey, Jesus said the thief only comes to steal, to kill, and to destroy. He said, I have come that they might have life and that they might have it more abundantly. I want to encourage you to choose life. Bye.